today to talk about ExactApply Technology on our 400, 600 series sprayers and potentially our Hagie sprayers. So with ExactApply Technology, we have an A solenoid and a B solenoid. So this gives us the ability to pulse at 15 hertz out of nozzle A solenoid here, B solenoid here, and we can so from cab options, in-cab options, we can pulse at 15 hertz either out of A or B, nozzle 1, nozzle 2. We can also turn the turret around to position 4, 5, and 6 and pulse out of both solenoids, A and B, together at 30 hertz. We also have an option, AB Auto Select, where we can set a pressure in the nozzle, or a pressure in the display, I should say, where a target pressure of say 40 psi, and then we can have nozzle A, say that was an 03 nozzle, and then 04 on the back. When 03 hits a certain target pressure or the top end of a pressure range, it will switch to our B nozzle, run that up to a certain pressure range, and then potentially kick on both nozzles. And that gives us the ability to go through a wide speed range from say 2 miles an hour all the way up to 18, 19, 20 miles an hour, depending upon nozzle selection and the crop we're spraying and the target rate we're doing. So the big takeaway with ExactApply is we can set a target pressure to attain our correct droplet size. So if that's a coarse, a fine, a very coarse, medium, whatever your droplet size, spray pattern or spray droplet you want for that particular application, we can attain that with the right nozzle selection with this system. This also gives us, the ExactApply system gives us individual nozzle control. So in the past we've thought of 7 foot, 9 foot, 10 foot, so on and so forth, sections. With this system, each nozzle has individual control. So each nozzle body across the sprayer has its own section control, if you will. So if you come across a waterway or an angle in a field, it's individually going to shut off and or turn on each nozzle independently. Another feature that ExactApply gives us is turn compensation. So far out on the end boom where we're maybe doing an inside turn, so as this boom slows down, it will keep the target rate for that section of boom, and as that side was to speed up, it would keep that target rate. So with turn compensation, as that boom is turning, the rate stays the same across the whole entire boom. So ExactApply is available on factory, available on 4 and 6 series sprayers, Hagie sprayers. There are precision upgrades that we can get on older series of sprayers. So I encourage you to see your salesman, inquire about possible precision upgrades if you're running an older sprayer.